Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox another package that we got from the Cred store. Like most of the times we are going to unbox this package with our bare hands. We have this hole here. Let's try to open this, try to expand, and our kitten is also curious what's happening here. Let's come back to our package. Let's try to open this up with our bare hand. That is what we do. Open it with our bare hands. Okay. Yeah, so we have the box. Let's try to get this box outside of the package. Can't wait to see what is there inside this package. So here we go. We got this nice cool looking package right here. It is a microphone set of premium quality. Let us look at other details. It says live show, interview, and it also shows other details on the package. It says 3,999, but we definitely got it for a lot lesser than that. Close to 700 rupees is what we paid for this product. So let's open this, slide this box outside and see what we have inside this. Alright, so we have two microphones, two tiny microphones here, and it also has a clip behind this, like you all can see, right? And this must be a button. I don't know what this is for. It is very light. Oh, there's a power button here, so when I click that, probably there's some light might turn on here. I don't know, I guess I have to charge here with this USB. We also have a nice looking cover for the mic. Let's take out this other thing. There's another mic, so we have two mics here. Both of them have this clip behind the mic so that it can stick to clothing or anywhere else. So not sure what this is. Probably this is a wireless connector, and again I'm not sure what this is, so we'll have to do a setup video and show you how this works. So we have another, I don't know what this is and not sure where this goes in, so let's keep this back inside, and I will record another video for you guys to show you how this works. So this was the unboxing of our wireless OlivLife microphones, rechargeable. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you. Bye.